When you picture the investment landscape in North America, you probably think of Silicon Valley's tech giants or the buzz of Wall Street. But the celebrated Magnificent Seven are just 7 names in the S&P 500. That leaves 493 other companies full of potential. And at the North American Income Trust, we look for those delivering income and growth. Our portfolio includes an outdoor advertiser in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, turning roadside moments into revenue. A casino operator in Wyoming, Pennsylvania, where steady footfall means steady cash flow. An electricity provider in Minneapolis, keeping the heartland's lights on and turning out dividends. And the creative magic of Burbank, where imagination fuels long-term growth. Dividends have grown faster in the US than almost anywhere else in recent years, powered by innovative companies that actually pay investors back. We look for businesses already generating the cash to fund dividends now, or reinvesting so those dividends can grow in the future. And we know that big names don't always mean big returns. The North American Income Trust, exploring the breadth of America to deliver income and growth wherever it's found.